Hey everyone, and welcome back where we delve into the amazing world of Photoshop tools and techniques. In today's tutorial, we're going to explore one of the most powerful and versatile tools in Photoshop, the Content or Moving tool. This tool allows you to seamlessly move and fill in seconds or selected area within your image, making complex edit and breezy. Stick out around as we uncover the magic behind this incredible feature. Okay, so before we start, we make sure that you have the images, and if you don't have the images, you can easily use the file types by using the open and select from here, and you can insert the image into the Photoshop. Okay, then the next step is I'll use here the laser tools for selections, make me or select this one. And if I gonna just use the move this one, then select this one. And here I can just select this one, and here the area, then go to the edit tabs. And from there, you can find there is a say the fields in there. So click over here. Okay, and it will pop up in the fill dialog box, and here you can or you need to choose here from like the content or this one. So make sure that you have selected the content or this one. So select this one, and blending mode should be the normal. You can just see the opposites of you want to use like 50 or different one, you can use the better. You can use the 100%, then hit on the OK. Now it's removing the area. So we are looking for, now you can see you say that it has removed the area, and we see we want to use it by the selections. Okay, so this way by selecting and use the content over by using the edit, and it can help you to remove this one. Then now I can just select the whole thing in here and make it here. So now we have this tools, and we can just use this way by removing any kind of objects or any kind of things from your images. Okay, so there you have it. Tutorial on the hardness incredibly powerful of the content our move tools in Photoshop. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to experiment and explore its capabilities for this. Okay, so thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next tutorial.